I believe that at some point in your journey, you must have imagined, if I only had $1 million, I would be the happiest person on this planet. I spent many years dedicating myself to studying the rules and principles used by the most prosperous people in history. I investigated the trajectories of geniuses, millionaires, industry leaders, writers, composers, bankers, investors, actors and directors. I discovered that they all followed a secret formula to achieve their first $1 million. And now I'm going to share this valuable formula with you through this brief video. Have you ever been told that to achieve prosperity and wealth, you need to visualize and repeatedly affirm this intention until it transforms into a powerful will that will attract more and more abundance? Then comment, "I am prosperous and will generate wealth." Leave this comment and I will give it a heart, confirming that you will indeed be the first millionaire in your family. Now that you have commented, let's continue. This knowledge is not restricted and can be used in various ways. Perhaps you want to use it to obtain a great fortune. And if that is your desire, you have the possibility to do so. On the other hand, if you want to expand your mental abilities and enrich your intellect, here too is the path to achieve that. In this video, you will learn important principles that need to be studied carefully. By applying these principles in your daily life and maintaining faith that the magic of wealth and prosperity can manifest in your life, you join thousands of people who have already experienced this transformation. Each of the steps I'm going to reveal must be followed with dedication and persistence. Believe in the power of these ideas and see how they can change your life, becoming powerful tools to achieve your dreams and aspirations. And so with this method in hand, you will have the key to open doors of opportunity and attain the happiness you have always desired. The hidden power behind great wealth lies in a skill known as creative intelligence. This means you can transform natural resources or even your own mental energy into money or other valuable forms. With the correct use of this powerful faculty hidden in your own mind, you can build a millionaire mindset. This secret, which allows you to accumulate millions, consists of a combination of mental, emotional, and spiritual wealth. In this way, you can enrich all aspects of human consciousness and truly fulfill the great destiny that God has reserved for you. There is an ancient story, almost like a fable, about the creation of the universe. In this narrative, the gods gathered for a conference. One of them suggested that when giving man the same creative power they possessed, they should hide this invaluable gift somewhere where man would never think to look. Another god then responded, "Let's hide it in the one place he will never look within his own mind." This tale highlights the wisdom and challenge involved in discovering our inner powers. Therefore, within your own mind lies the secret to becoming a millionaire. It is in your consciousness and mind that you find the creative power necessary to build material and financial wealth. And not just that, the same power can help you achieve health, happiness, true friendships, love, intellectual satisfaction, and peace of mind. Everything you need is already within you. It's a matter of knowing where to look and how to use this power. People with powerful thoughts and ideas are those who truly master and transform the world. Human thought is what shapes the world we know. The world you live in today is the result of dynamic thoughts that generated wealth. Humanity, with its vision and courage, has ventured through time and space in the pursuit of new achievements and dreams, like reaching the stars, and you have the same brain cells, muscles, nerves, and heart that the geniuses of history had. It is your mental power, the energy you channeled through these muscles and nerves to your heart, that makes you ascend to higher levels on the scale of dreams and achievements. You have the ability to think great things, and through this power, transform your thoughts into tangible reality. Many people feel afraid to challenge their mental capacities. Each individual is an unrevealed talent. If each person can learn to release the powerful energy that resides in their own mind, nothing will be impossible for them. You can set limits on your way of thinking. You can have powerful thoughts, break down the barriers of time and space, and overcome the limitations of lack of money, lack of education, old age, and other negative conditions that may hinder your development. Think about the following situation. When you change your way of thinking to a positive perspective, you instantly release mental and physical forces that propelled your entire life in a new optimistic direction. The key is to believe in what you say, because when you have confidence in your ideas, you release currents of positive energy in your brain and body, making your thoughts and actions more potent and effective. Powerful thoughts will make you what you believe, say, and desire. Think that you are successful, that you are capable, that you are on the same level as other talents, that you can achieve the wealth you see others obtain. Believe that your personality can be magnetic and attractive. You are using the magnetic energy of powerful thoughts. The moment you think optimistically, I think therefore I am. Write this in your agenda or on a card that you can look at several times a day. Note the following: I think, and talk about success, health, happiness, and achievement. I have great thoughts, so I am great. Now imagine a situation where all your dreams come true because you truly believed they could become real. Think about the impact this would have on your life and how much you could inspire others to follow in your footsteps. By accepting that your ideas have power, you open doors to new opportunities and achievements, allowing yourself to explore unknown territories with confidence and determination. Thus, start each day with the certainty that you have within you unlimited potential waiting to be explored. Remember that the greatest inventors, artists, and leaders began by believing in the power of their minds and the strength of their thoughts. They turned dreams into reality because they never stopped believing in themselves. There is wealth in your ideas. You might think that your thoughts have no value simply because they came from your own head. Change this perception about the value of your thoughts. Many of the best things we have in the world were created by men and women like you, who had a brilliant idea and managed to turn it into great rewards. Your ideas can really be worth a lot. Take some time each day, at least half an hour, to sit quietly in a place where you can think without distractions. During this time, explore the goldmine that is your mind. Write down all the new ideas that arise, whether to improve your life, perfect a product, or think of new ways to sell something you invented. These ideas can turn into true treasures. Think about the man who invented the button. He made a great fortune. And there's the man who discovered the collar button for shirts. He earned an immense amount of money. There was a man at a self-improvement conference determined to change his life. He was paying close attention to everything the speaker said. Among many inspiring phrases, the speaker said, "Look ahead and see your fortune." The man took this phrase literally, and when he looked ahead, he saw a lady wearing a hat with a wide brim. He began to think, "My fortune is in that hat." He kept this idea in his mind until finally, before leaving the event, he had the idea to create a new type of decorative hat pin, which later brought him a fortune. Many of life's greatest achievements came through the creative power of imagination. Anyone can use this capacity to imagine to build a future fortune. It takes a little practice to develop this skill of visualizing in your mind the things you want to create. There is an incredibly creative mind within you, and it manifests most powerfully when we use our imagination. Release dynamic energy through your desires. Desire is the main force that drives the human being. Without this emotion, people would still live in a primitive state, dwelling in caves and trees. Desire is the dynamic force that makes people achieve great feats. The human mind and body function at high levels of energy when our desires are correctly directed. If you use this positive emotion in the right way, it can release dynamic energy that will allow you to achieve anything you truly desire. The longing for knowledge makes people expand their minds and become wiser, which in turn leads humanity to achieve new and higher accomplishments. When someone desires beauty, it stimulates artists to create magnificent works that enchant the world. The law of desire operates infallibly to bring you what you long for. But there is a way through which you can transform your desires into reality, activating actions and reactions in your mind that will facilitate the achievement of the things you so much want. Everyone from time to time thinks about how nice it would be to be rich, to have a different personality, or perhaps change careers, or even take a great trip around the planet. These are common desires for everyone. However, this type of thought, which is weak and fleeting, is not the kind of strong desire that truly leads to accomplishment. Faith and a clear sense of purpose are the forces that move life. There is nothing that firm faith and a decided purpose cannot achieve. By daily practicing calm and silent faith, the forces of thought gather, and by daily reaffirming your decided purpose, these forces are directed to achieve our goals. Regardless of what your goals or position in life are, before achieving any kind of success, benefit or power, you need to learn to concentrate the forces of your thought by cultivating tranquility and rest. Concentration brings clarity, and inner peace provides a solid foundation for you to direct your mental energies effectively and productively. It is important to find moments of stillness to reflect and plan your steps, because it is in this calm that you will find the strength necessary to pursue your dreams with determination and focus. You, who have come this far. This shows that you are a resilient person and deserve all the prosperity that this world has to offer. So comment until the end, and I will be leaving a heart in your comment which proves your resilience. But don't leave the video just yet, here on the screen. I will be leaving 2 of my recommendations to add even more value to your knowledge. So go watch it now.